basket tool can help us tighten the bolts. The bottle of shampoo?
No!
No.
No. No.
Well, what about
Hey,
the
Brian.
butterfly net?
Me was such a squirrel.
No!
No! No! No!
No!
Choo-choo.
But how about the shape wrenches? Can we use wrenches to tighten the bolts?
Yeah! Yes!
Yes. Yeah. It was awesome.
Unbelievable!
Oh, this is great.
It'd be so great!
You're gonna love this. Great. Woohoo!
Exactly. Yes.
See?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.